Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a government school smartboard. First, locate the power button, usually on the bottom right or left, and press it firmly for 2 seconds. Ensure all necessary cables, like the HDMI or VGA, are securely connected to your computer and the board. Then, use the provided stylus to tap the calibration points that appear on the screen, typically 4 or 5 points, to ensure accurate touch response. The interactive pen is your primary tool. Pick it up and simply write or draw directly on the screen. To erase, use the dedicated eraser tool from the on-screen menu or the physical eraser if provided. You can also use multi-touch gestures, like pinching to zoom in or out on documents and swiping with 2 fingers to scroll through pages. Annotate over any content with ease. To display your content, connect your device and select the correct input source from the board's menu. Most smartboards come with pre-installed educational software, which you can access through the main interface. Open documents, presentations, or web browsers directly on the board. You can also wirelessly share your screen from a laptop or tablet using the built-in casting features, often supporting up to 4 simultaneous connections. To ensure longevity, always power down the smartboard properly after use and clean the screen with a soft, dry cloth, avoiding harsh chemicals. If the touch response becomes inaccurate, recalibrate the board using the settings menu. For common issues like no display, double-check all cable connections. If problems persist, consult your school's IT support or the user manual for specific model guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.